Imagine a plate of perfectly cooked pasta bathed in a creamy, buttery white sauce. This pasta is studded with succulent grilled chicken slices and sprinkled with a generous dusting of grated Parmesan cheese. A hint of garlic and a dash of parsley lend a wonderful aroma to the dish. This, dear listeners, is the quick and delicious meal we're about to create together. The ingredients needed are as follows: 250 grams of your preferred pasta, 2 grilled chicken breasts sliced thin, 2 tablespoons of butter, 3 cloves of minced garlic, a cup of heavy cream, half a cup of chopped parsley, salt and pepper to taste, and some grated Parmesan cheese for garnish. Start by boiling water in a large pot, adding salt, and cooking the pasta according to the package instructions. Once done, drain the pasta, but remember to reserve some of the pasta water for later. In a large pan, melt the butter over medium heat. Next, add the minced garlic, sautéing it for a minute until it takes on a beautiful golden hue. Now it's time to introduce the grilled chicken slices to the pan. Stir them around until they're thoroughly heated. Pour in the heavy cream, stirring until the mixture is well combined and hot. Follow this with the chopped parsley, salt, and pepper, adjusting the quantities to your liking. Allow the sauce to simmer for a couple of minutes. The drained pasta joins the party next. Toss it well in the pan, ensuring every strand gets coated with the creamy sauce. If the sauce feels too thick, add a bit of the reserved pasta water to loosen it up. Now, the dish is ready to serve. Transfer the creamy chicken pasta onto a serving dish and garnish it with the grated Parmesan cheese. Remember, this recipe is versatile. Feel free to add roasted vegetables, mushrooms, or green onions if you wish. So in a nutshell, this quick and scrumptious meal involves cooking pasta, sautéing garlic and butter, heating grilled chicken, making a creamy sauce with heavy cream, parsley, salt, and pepper, and finally mixing the pasta in. Garnish with Parmesan, and there you have it. A restaurant-quality meal ready in minutes. Enjoy this delectable dish anytime a craving for pasta hits. It's quick, it's easy, and it's absolutely delicious.